Hey guys, today let's learn how to crop a picture on iPhone 13, 12, or 11. Now, even if you were using any version of your iPhone, guys, if you want to go ahead and crop a photo over on your iPhone device, all we need to do to basically do this is to, of course, head on over on your gallery applications, and I want you to basically choose a photo on there to crop. Now, this is going to be pretty easy, guys. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this with a screenshot. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this right here. As you see, the screenshot will be located onto the lower left. Click on that screenshot, and of course, if you want to go ahead and crop the screenshot, you could go ahead and edit these sliders on here to crop a specific part. Okay, let's say we want to crop this battery option only, and then click on, now the export button should be here, and now you can basically save this onto your files as well, and basically have this photo on your files with no problem. So save to files, and then boom, it's now saved. Basically, you could also choose a folder to save this. I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, that's pretty easy, and that's all to basically crop a photo, guys. And if you click on the done, of course, you could also choose other options like to delete, to copy and delete, or to save the photos. And if you want to basically save it to your Photos app, you could also do so, and now it's done. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.